Hello, it's Cindy Jo. I am putting a new floor in my entire little tiny condo. So this is what I have so far. This is my back room, this is my craft room. It used to have carpet. I have taken off all of the baseboards, I've taken off the tack strip, moved all the staples and nails from the tack strips. Then I went around the entire room and put screws in every place that has a nail that's holding the subfloor plywood pieces in. I put a screw next to each one of those, and then I just put some what's called feather finish because I have to make sure this floor is completely flat and level in order to lay a vinyl plank floor. So this is what I have so far. I decided to patch all the little holes first, and then I'm going to actually level the high and low spots because I will have to sand, and I didn't want to sand the high spots and then patch the little tiny holes because then I would have sanding dust in all my holes, and it does not make for good adhesion between the feather finish and the floor. Anyways, this is what we have so far. I still have to put the feather finish here this is the closet. So room 1, almost ready for the flooring. I just wanted to show everybody that it can be done. It's a lot of work, but it's really not that hard. Anyways, bye.